Here we come to the elevators at the Oceanography and Meteorology building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Otis Series 2. Oh, would you look at that? They just replaced the signs. This is nice. I'm only just gonna take one ride on this because I'm on very limited time and I have somebody to meet in the next 30-something minutes. So I'm gonna make this quick. I didn't plan on filming this, but I just had to get it on video anyways. All right, let's go on to one. Look at this thing. This is just your basic elevator, but look at that. A brand new sign. I absolutely like this sign better than the regular banner up there. I think this is a nice touch. These are Otis. I'm an elevator photographer if you're wondering. I just like elevators, if you're wondering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I film, I do these videos for YouTube, and it gets a lot of views by showing the elevators itself. And it looks like it's got a classic Otis leveling, so.
That's pretty cool.
With that being said, I hope you have a great day.
You too.
You're welcome. All right, there it goes. And unfortunately, I don't have time to do the freight elevator, but next time I come back, I'll be sure to do so. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it. And gig 'em.